In lecture 14, part C, we'll discuss iodoform. Similar to the chloroform, iodoform can be prepared from ethanol and acetone. Very simple reaction, but very important reaction. The C over here, ethyl alcohol, when made to react with iodine and sodium hydroxide, it will produce iodoform. So formation of iodoform will take place, and which will be yellow crystalline precipitate. So yellow crystalline precipitates of iodoform are obtained. So I think it must be very clear. In the chloroform we used over here chlorine and sodium hydroxide. So iodoform can be prepared by the action of ethyl alcohol with iodine and sodium hydroxide, or by the action of iodine and sodium carbonate on ethanol. So ethanol, when react with iodine and sodium carbonate, it will result in the formation of yellow crystalline precipitate of a iodoform, along with a byproduct of a sodium formate, sodium iodide, carbon dioxide and water. Now secondly, it can also be prepared from acetone, and make sure, although these are very simple reactions, but in ISC board these two reactions are very commonly asked reactions. Despite of so much of a concept in the board or in this chapter, these two reactions are two commonly asked questions in the board examination, either this or this. This will become a property of acetone and the preparation of iodoform. This over here is preparation of ethanol and the preparation of iodoform. So please do not forget to learn these reactions very thoroughly. The reactions are very simple. Acetone, when react with iodine and sodium hydroxide, it will result in the formation of yellow crystalline precipitate of a iodoform, along with the formation of sodium acetate, sodium iodide and molecule of water. Now, regarding the physical and the chemical properties of iodoform, they are almost parallel to that of a chloroform. But only difference is that instead of CaCl3, you have to write over there CHI3. But what else from the iodoform can be asked in the board examination? Chemical properties are similar to that of a chloroform. First is stability. There is one question, explain why iodoform have an antiseptic properties. In case of a wounds, the tincture of iodine is used, so which can be this one over here. So reason being, why the question is why it is being used as an antiseptic. The reason being, because iodoform decompose to give iodine vapors, and the presence of air and moisture and light also causes the decomposition of iodoform, and due to the liberation of free iodine, iodoform shows an antiseptic property. So if the question is explain why iodoform can be used as an antiseptic compound, because on heating or on exposure to air, moisture and light, it liberates free iodine. Now iodoform test, very important from the board point of view. This test is used for detection of all those compounds which have aceto group, CH3 C double bond O group. One of the very common questions asked in the board examination. Any compound which have aceto group or which on oxidation gives aceto group corresponds to iodoform test. So it is used to detect the presence of aceto group in the compound. This test is given by all those compounds in which the methyl group is directly attached to aceto group. So all those compounds in which methyl group is directly attached to aceto group, or the compound which gives aceto group on oxidation, they corresponds to the iodoform test. Amongst the alcohol, ethyl alcohol gives the iodoform test, and the reaction is written over here. Ethanol, when react with iodine and sodium hydroxide, it forms iodoform. The C over here in acetone, we have a aceto group. Aceto group, when combines with iodine and sodium hydroxide, it will result in the formation of an iodoform. So all secondary alcohol give this test. Amongst primary alcohol, ethyl alcohol and its oxidized product acetaldehyde. All secondary alcohol and its oxidized product will definitely be containing aceto group, so it will give this test. As for example, we have written over here, this is isopropyl alcohol. So if we take isopropyl alcohol, when react with iodine and sodium carbonate or sodium hydroxide, it will give the yellow crystalline precipitate of a iodoform. So learn this very thoroughly. It may be asked in the board examination. Suppose the question is, give a chemical test to distinguish between normal propyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. So ethyl alcohol gives the iodoform test. Suppose the question is, give the chemical test to distinguish between tertiary butyl alcohol and secondary butyl alcohol. So the answer will be by iodoform test. This test you will be doing in the laboratory also in the identification of alcoholic compound. So I think the iodoform must be very clear. Very few points for the iodoform are written over here. This is an iodoform test. This is an iodoform test, or the preparation of iodoform. This again is an iodoform test. All those compounds which on oxidation give aceto group, all secondary alcohol amongst primary alcohol, ethyl alcohol, and acetaldehyde amongst the carbonyl compound will give this test. Regarding the antiseptic property, because on heating it decomposes to liberate free iodine, hence it can be used as an antiseptic property. So we have done with you the two polyhalogen compound by now. First was chloroform, second is the iodoform, with all the relevant questions written over here and discussed with you. Now another polyhalogen compound are freons. What are freons? Chloro-fluoro derivatives of alkanes are known as freons. A 1 mark question. What are freons? Chloro-fluoro derivative of alkanes. Most common freon is freon 12. This is CCl2F2, and this is difluoromethane. So difluoromethane is a freon. Difluoromethane is a freon. How to prepare it? Carbon tetrachloride when treated with hydrofluoric acid in presence of antimony pentafluoride, it will result in the formation of freon. Then this reaction we did as a Schwarz reaction. Carbon tetrachloride when treated with antimony tetrafluoride in presence of antimony pentachloride, it will result in the formation of difluoromethane, and the name of the reaction is a Schwarz reaction. So these are the method of preparation of a freon. Freon, as we all know, it is used as a cooling agent in refrigerators and in air conditioners. However, its use is banned these days or discouraged these days because the ozone layer depletion. So nowadays the refrigerators that we get from the market are chlorofluorocarbon free. So reason being because it causes the depletion of the ozone layer. Very simple 1 mark question is. Then the last polyhalogen compound which is in the syllabus is DDT. We all know what is DDT. It is used as an insecticide. What is the IUPAC name of DDT? It is 2,2-bis parachlorophenol 1,1,1 trichloromethane. How it is prepared? If we treat chloral CCl3CHO by 2 molecules of chlorobenzene, remove the molecule of water from here, and it will result in the formation of a DDT over here, which is 2,2-bis parachlorophenol 1,1,1 trichloromethane. DDT, as we all know, is used as an insecticide, but nowadays its use is discouraged or banned because it is non-biodegradable. Being non-biodegradable, it enters into the human body or into the animal's body and may be toxic over there. So that is why its use is banned these days. And with this chapter, we basically complete the chapter Haloalkanes and Haloarenes. What have we discussed in Haloalkanes and Haloarenes? First, we discussed with you the classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes, then the nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes, then isomerism, then preparation of monohalogen derivatives of alkane, then their properties, physical properties, and then their chemical properties. In chemical properties, we discussed with you the reduction property, reaction with metal, nucleophilic substitution reaction, elimination reaction, and for haloarenes, we discussed with you the electrophilic substitution reactions. Apart from that, we have discussed with you some polyhalogen compounds in which we discussed with you chloroform, iodoform, then we discussed the freon and DDT. The physical and chemical properties were also discussed with you, and with that we complete this chapter. So your one very important chapter in the class 12 is over, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes. Please do all the problems given in the book. Please solve all the NCERT problem. If you can solve the NCERT problem, then you definitely come across the concept in this chapter. Hope you will revise this chapter, will take your problem and give you a test assignment of this chapter.